Hello everyone, in today's video we will be going over the American Eagle 2021 Gold Proof 4-coin set. So this set will be released on March 11th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. They've not released how much this set will be selling for, but we do have most of the information on the set and the coins. So there's no mintage limit, but there is a really low product limit of only 8,200 and a household order limit of only 1. So this is a really low product limit coin, and it's a limited edition coin. So it's going to probably sell out really fast because there's only 8,200 that are going to be sold. So what's really cool about this is that it features 4 gold coins that are in all different sizes and weights, and they were all made at the West Point Mint. So each gold coin is 22 carats, and after 3 decades of the American Eagle coin program, this is going to be the final version of the gold proof 4-coin set with its original family of Eagle's reverse tails design. So this makes this set all the more special because this is going to be the final version of their design. So when we go into the specifications, they show the specifications for each coin. So they have a 1-ounce gold coin, a 1/2-ounce gold coin, a 1/4-ounce gold coin, and a 1/10-ounce gold coin. So the denominations are $50 for the 1 ounce, $25 for the 1/2 ounce, $10 for the 1/4 ounce, and $5 for the 1/10 ounce. Now they all have a proof finish, and they all have the same composition of 91.67% gold, 3% silver, and balanced copper. Now we see that they come in different diameters and weights. They have the same edge, which is reeded, and they have the same mint and mint mark. So they were minted at the West Point Mint, and their mint mark is W. Now their diameters are 1.287 inches for the 1 ounce, 1.063 for the 1/2 ounce, 0.866 for the 1/4 ounce, and 0.650 for the 1/10 ounce gold coin. And then, of course, the weights are also different. So the 1-ounce gold coin weighs the most, which is 1.0909 troy ounces, and the 1/10 ounce gold coin weighs the least, which is 0.1091 troy ounces. So this set is really cool because in this set you will get 4 gold coins. So this is how the set looks like. And here you can see the gold coins in their capsules. So it has this red casing that it's going to come with. And here are the 4 coins. Here's the 1-ounce coin, the 1-ounce gold coin. Here's the 1/2 ounce gold coin. Here's the 1/4 ounce gold coin. And here is the 1/10 ounce gold coin. So you can see that they're all made out of gold, and they all have 2021 and the classic Lady Liberty design on their obverse. And over here on the reverse, it shows the Eagle's reverse tails design. And then here you can see the packaging of the coin. Here's the casing or the boxing, and over here you have the certificate of authenticity. So this set will be released on March 11th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time on the US Mint website. And to buy it, go to their product schedule, go to their 2021 product schedule, and go all the way to March 11th, which is right over here, and click the first one, which is the American Eagle 2021 Gold Proof 4-coin set. Click on the blue link and hit the Remind Me button for when it's released. You will be instantly notified by the US Mint website. And then there's only 8,200 sets that are going to be sold, so you might want to try to be on the site 10 minutes before for you have higher chances of getting one. Because if there's only 8,200 sets, then it's going to be a lot of competition on trying to get a set, and the US Mint website might crash. So I'll put the link in the description below to the US Mint website and the link to this set, and if you are interested in buying it, make sure to write it in the comments below, and if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, turn on the bell notification, and have a great day, everyone.